Crossing a taxiway. Ground operations are often carried out on tight schedules.
Nadia, change of stand. Your flight finally arrives in Fox 22. Hurry up.
Okay, it's not near. I'll get there as soon as possible. We're all going to Fox 22.
However, confusing speed with haste can cause material damage and endanger air and ground crew. Failure to maintain a safe distance before or after an aircraft passes can have serious consequences. Do not underestimate the consequences of the blast of a jet engine, which can reach 100 kilometers an hour just a few meters away from the aircraft. Even when the aircraft is taxiing, it can damage or even roll a vehicle over. In 2015, the windows of 2 buses parked on a remote station exploded under the sole effect of the jet blast of an aircraft parking nearby. Several passengers on board were injured by glass shards. Plus, failing to give way to an aircraft during pushback, taxiing, or parking may result in sudden braking and injure the flight attendants performing the pre-flight safety demonstration. 5 rules are essential to guarantee the safety of all. Always give way to aircrafts, even during pushback and parking. Make a full stop to locate all the aircrafts. A plane could be hidden behind another and the traffic direction can change at any moment. Always leave a safe distance before and after an aircraft passes. Similarly, anticipate the time required to cross a taxiway, which can be up to 10 times wider than a standard lane. Finally, pay attention to the noises, especially in case of poor visibility. Lay the ground for a safe flight.